Hi, today we're going to understand how to convert a Notion form into PDF files. And specifically for this demonstration, we are going to talk about moving contract form. As you can see, I have created a form over here with some of the fields added to it. And once the user fills in all the details in this form and they click on submit, the responses will come under the responses view in the database. I've already gone ahead and have created two entries in this particular database. And now I'm looking to convert these entries into PDF files completely on automation. For this, I'll be using a tool known as PDFOutput. PDFOutput will help me create PDFs on automation from a Google document with the help of a Notion database. So Notion database is where all the entries are contained, and the Google document is what we'll be editing to convert to PDF files on automation. You can create any reports, invoices, contracts, certificates, or even quotations that you're looking to generate on automation from this system. Click on create PDF and quickly sign in, and then we will see how the rest of the automation steps will work to generate the PDFs. So I'm going to quickly sign in over here and then I will show you the remaining steps. The very first thing which we need to do is we need to connect the database which we already have on our Notion account. And once the database is connected, we need to add a document for the same. And once both the things are in place, we need to copy paste all the properties of the database onto the document one by one and then generate the PDF file. So let's start by clicking on add Notion database. This will allow us to add the database. And let me copy the database title which I already have on my workspace. So I'm going to use this database. Copy this and just head over to the selection screen. Click on select pages and put the database inside the search pages field. You should be able to see the form appear over here. Click on that and the form is now added up. So whenever you are adding a form or a database, always put it inside the search pages field to add it. Do not select the database or the format selecting the top level pages from the list over here. If you do that, the experience will not be smooth and the database will not be added correctly. Also, if your database is connected with other databases in the form of relation properties, so let's say my moving contract form is connected with database A and database B through relation properties. I also need to add database A and database B inside the search pages so that all the PDFs that will be created will have the relation and the row of values appear correctly in the document. Otherwise, the relation and row of values will not be visible in the PDF file. Now let's click on allow access and we should get access to the moving contract form, which we can use for the remaining steps. So if you click on the drop down, you should be able to see the particular database appear over here. If it is not visible, simply click on reload database and your database should definitely appear in the drop down. Sometimes it takes a while to load the database, so please have some patience. But if you try to reload the same, it should definitely be visible in the drop down over here. So you can see the moving contract form is showing up. Click on this and if you scroll down, you should be able to see all the properties of the database appear over here one below the other. Next is adding a document to this. So we'll click on add Google document. If you already have a moving contract template file available, you can click on existing document and choose the template file which is already available on your drive. Okay, so this allows you to select the existing document whatever is available on your drive, and you can then proceed with the remaining steps to add the same document and move ahead with the demonstration. So if you already have a document, you can go to the document section and select the document available from the list, which we can use. But I don't have any document available as of now, so I will instead go with a demo document where it will automatically create all the placeholders for my use case right inside the document. So you can see every placeholder over here is already added up and it is already visible inside double curly brackets. So we have customer name, destination address, moving date, origin address. All the fields are already coming from the database that we have over here. So we have moving date, we have the customer name, we have origin address. So when the PDF will be created, all these fields that you see inside double curly brackets will be mapped with the database values that you already have, and the PDF will be generated. So the customer name will be replaced with the customer name field that you see in the database. Similarly, the destination address will be replaced with the destination address that you see in the database, and so on for all the other fields. If you want to manually add any field, let's say I want to add the customer name field, click on copy, go to the document wherever you want to add it, and simply use Ctrl V or Command V on your keyboard, and it will automatically paste the property inside the document. So you can copy paste any property right inside the document, and it will directly add the same for your convenience, and it will automatically map the property inside the document directly live. Okay. The next step is we need to define how the PDF file will be named. So I want to define the PDF file by the name of the customer. Okay, so I will just select customer name in the drop down. And the next thing after this is, if you scroll to the right side of the database, you will find generate PDF and PDF file. If any record is set as ready to generate, then that record will be converted to PDF file and it is stored in the PDF file section over here. So make sure you mark your records as ready to generate whichever you're looking to convert to PDF files, and then you proceed with the PDF generation part. So I will just simply click on download PDF right now, and now it should download the PDF directly inside the database for me. So do ensure that you are setting the records as ready to generate whichever looking to convert to PDF. And let me open up this document, and then we will be able to see all the mappings that have already been done. So you can see all the fields of the document are already mapped with the database values that we already had. And if I open up the second record, it has the same mapping already done as well. So every field in this particular document are also mapped. Okay, so we just created two documents where both the fields are already mapped correctly with the database values. Now, if you want to automate this process entirely and generate the PDF forever, you can simply click on Setup Notion Automation, and this will set up an automation to generate PDF forever, which means you do not need to use PDF output to set up everything from scratch once again to generate a PDF. As all you need to do is whenever a user clicks on submit and a new entry appears over here, you simply need to mark it as ready to generate, and the PDF will automatically create it in the database for you. This makes the process really convenient and easy to use, as all the automations happen directly inside the database and the PDF gets created right inside the database for a use case. So I hope you start taking advantage of this automation solution available, and you generate the PDF as per your requirement, and you start setting up the automation correctly to generate the PDF with ease right inside the database. So that is it for the entire demonstration. If you haven't got any questions for me, use this chat bubble and send me a message with your queries on the same. I'll be able to address on your issues. Or else you can go to the bottom of the home page where you will find the contact window, and you can send me an email right away with whatever concerns you are having. I'll be able to address the same as well. You can even book a free demo session where I'll be guiding you step by step on how to use this tool and take the best advantage of the automation available. So I hope you start automating your PDF solutions right inside the Notion database by using PDF output, and you generate the PDF as per requirement. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. And before we wrap up, as you can see, it has even started processing this entire row, and it will soon be converted to PDF file and it will stored right inside the database. So you can see it has processed this document and stored the same inside the database. This is how PDF output works